So this is exactly how you can find verified email addresses and phone numbers of not only people working in the fastest growing companies of the world, but also the people who actually founded the companies. So you can find like verified email addresses of founders, owners, CEOs, marketing managers, CTOs, COOs, like all the different job titles you can think of people working in these companies. And just try to think of it. If you reach out to people who are a part of the fastest freaking growing companies across all the different industries, don't you think so they'll be extremely qualified and they'll actually be pretty high quality leads? So that's the aim of this video. Show you how exactly you can do this so that you can reach out to them, sell your services, get the dream clients you actually want to work with. So the first thing we want to do, and the reason I'm not saying is I genuinely don't know how the frick you pronounce it, like INC 5000, whatever it is. Just go over to the website, and over here, if you scroll down, there's a thing known as the list, which basically has a list of all these fastest 5000 companies which are growing like extremely freaking fast. So just click on this, and boom, now we are here. Now you can see like there are a lot of different things. We can filter these companies by like a lot of different criteria, and we'll get into it in a later stage. The next thing we want to do is download this Chrome extension known as Instant Data Scraper. It's completely free to download, so just click on the link. I'll just show you what it looks like if you've not added it. So once you don't have it downloaded, you click on this add to Chrome button, you click on add extension, and boom, it's added to your Chrome account, and you can use it to scrape the data. Yep. Once we've done that, then we simply need to choose the industry which you want to target. Because if you try to reach out to everyone, you probably won't resonate with anyone. Because if I'm reaching out to a company in like the software industry, obviously the messaging I'll use and the product I'm trying to sell them will be different to me reaching out to someone in the e-commerce niche. So I'll always suggest like choose the exact industry you want to target. So all these different industries are over here, like AI, advertising, marketing, like all these different companies. So I'll just choose one. Like let's say I wanted to target software companies. I'll just move it over here. Yeah, let's say I wanted to target software companies. So I'll just select software. Out of all these industries, you can choose like any industry you want. And what you can do is like let's say you've reached out to one industry. After like a week, you can target another industry as well. So I'll just select like software because that's the industry I'm trying to target. Yeah, you can choose like any one of it, and you can also just like filter it by the state as well. So if you want to target a particular geographical area, let's like for example, I have a guy who's has like a POS business, like this is the company. So yeah, Kevin Estopinal, he's based out Louisiana in LA. So if he wants to target like businesses in the area, like let's say I was doing it for him, he's a client of mine. So I'll just select like LA over here, or like Louisiana in the metro city, whatever. So you can like use additional filters as well. I think it's fine because it does not really matter where a company is based out of, if it's like software or something, because like I can reach out to them via email, and the thing I'm going to be selling is like an online product, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, once we have chosen the industry we want to target and the location, everything, then we simply need to scrape this and just get a list of companies, like all the companies which are listed over here using Instant Data Scraper. So yeah, you can simply come over here, you can click on this like the icon of Instant Data Scraper, just click on this, and after that you're gonna be redirected here. So you can see there are like different fields over here which has everything, like you can like just see the name of the company over here. Like what you can do is things like these are pretty unwanted, these different things. So yeah, you can click on this thing like company RHIF, so you can just click cross these things out, and you can only keep the fields which are actually relevant. So yeah, you can do that. And I actually forgot to apply like the filter, because yep, boom. So yeah, now that you've done it, I'll just click on the Instant Data Scraper again, because yeah, yep, pretty much sorted, pretty much good to go. So over here you can see like the name of all the different softwares. You can see like the state, the city, and also the description. I leave the description because I can use the description to create like personalized outreach messages using chat GPT, AI, and other stuff. So yeah, I'll just leave it like that. And yeah, if this is looking complicated to you, if you don't want to understand like what column should I remove, what column should I not remove, just simply like scrape all of them. It doesn't really matter. So like I'll just click on reset columns, and this is exactly what it looks like for you as well. So I'll just go ahead with this in case someone is seeing something different and he's like freaking out, like mine looks different. So yeah, this is what you're probably seeing, and just click on this infinite scroll button, and over here like add like the minimum delay to 10, and boom, click on start crawling. And as you can see, oh shit, like if it says like no elements with the scroll bar found, what happens is it tried to scroll down, but it did not find the scroll bar. So if you can see like towards the right, like there is a scroll bar, but it was trying to like do this and it was not working, but there is a scroll bar over here. So what you can do is simply like scroll this a bit and click on like instant data scraper again. So I'll just scroll it a bit and immediately click on like instant data scraper and try to click on start crawling again. Hopefully it should work now. Yeah, my hands over here, and it's automatically like scrolling it down and down and down. As you can see it will wait for a while and then it will scroll again. Yep, though you just let it run in the background and it will automatically scrape the data. All these extra tabs which I opened earlier, I'll just remove them, and yep, I'll just close these out, and yeah, it will just automatically scrape everything and save it in this field over here. You can see like the name of the company is being added automatically. So yeah, you can see all of this happen live in real time. My hands over here, I'm not doing anything, and I'll just like pause the video out, let it scrape. It will take some time. And yeah, one thing, yeah, I was waiting for this error. So if you get this error like table not change whatever, you simply over here where it says like minimum delay, just add the delay. Because what happens when you get this error is you try to scroll the page very fast and it was probably stuck on loading, and instant data scraper did not see any new data, so then it got stuck. So over here like the minimum delay is 1 second, so I'll just add it like I'll put it to 10 seconds. If you're still getting this error after like 10 seconds as well, you can do it like 15, 20 seconds, whatever, and just click on start crawling again. It's not a very big issue. Just keep on repeating this until unless you have scraped like all the different websites available over here. I'll let it run in the background, and after it has been done, once I've taken care of it, then I'll simply just, yeah, then I'll resume the video again. Yeah. Yep, so now the data has been scraped. We have a list of all the companies in the software industry who were a part of the INC 5000 list, whatever. So, yeah, now what we have to do is we simply copy a list of all these companies so that we can find like the owners and everything. So, firstly, we need to find the domains. So, like, let's say if I know the name of the company is Amazon, hypothetically, I don't need, like, I cannot do much with Amazon because finding the information of Jeff Bezos is going to be tough. But if we have like the domain of it, so if we know like, okay, Amazon's website is amazon.com, then we can find the data. So like, not to complicate everything, just after you've done this, you can simply click on this button called copy all. If you want to download it in a CSV format, you can download that as well. I just like to copy it. Then I go over to Google Sheets and I just simply paste the data. I'll go to Google Sheets, I'll click on new spreadsheet, and boom, just paste the data. So over here, this is like the name of the company as I can see, and everything. So we have like the city, state, how much percentage did they actually grow by, and the description of the company as well. So what I'll do is simply like copy all the different names of these companies, like all the names, all these different domains. So I'll just simply copy it, the name of the companies, boom, command C if you're on Mac, control C if you're on Windows. And yeah, once you've done that, we go over to the software known as Leadwave, and yeah, you can simply get started for free. I think I'm already logged in. So yeah, over here, we come here, and now we come over to this thing known as company to domain. So once we're here, we paste the list of all the company names. If you have more than like 1000 companies, you cannot paste like more than 1000 entries at once. So let's say you have 1500 companies, paste the 1000, then wait, like find the domains of all the 1000 companies, download the result, and then you can paste like the next companies, like the next set of companies. So the 500 remaining ones. If you have 2200 companies, paste 1000, get the results, paste the another 1000, get the results, and then paste the remaining 200. Yeah, pretty simple. Just click on this convert to domains button, and yeah, after that it will take some time. It will take around like 30 seconds to 1-2 minutes maximum, and then you're gonna find like the list of all the different domains. I'll just pause the video, and once the results are ready, then we can simply like access it, download it, and I'll get back. It's been around a minute, and we have a list of different like domains, everything. So we actually went ahead and we found like all the different websites which were there. So yeah, you can go through it, everything. Yep. Now all we need to do is simply just download this list, click on the download CSV button, and now we have it. Then I'll come over to Google Sheets again and open this file up once more. I'll click on upload, just upload the file I just downloaded right now, and boom, now it's ready. Once I'll like let it open, and then I'll just copy like the list of all the different domains which are here, which we were able to find. So yeah, again I'll just copy all of them, and we actually did a pretty good job, man. Like we almost found all the domains. So yeah, once you've done that, we simply copy this, and yep, now we come back to Leadwave again, and there's this thing known as lead enrichment. As you can see, just click on paste, and boom. After that, you can click on the enrich domains button, and now we're going to find all the people who work in these companies so that you can reach out to them. You can click on the enrich domains button over here, and after that, your results will show up here. Again, it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, so I'll just pause the video out, and after that, you can see the final results. Boom, boom, boom. So now we have a list of all the people working in these companies, and I can like, oh, my Chrome is crashing. Wait. Then we can download this page as a CSV file, and I don't know what is wrong with my Chrome right now. So I just fix the issue. Then we download it as a CSV. Pretty simple and straightforward from there. And yeah, we downloaded it. Then we come back over to Google Sheets, click on file, click on open, boom, go over to upload, and just upload the file which we just downloaded. And now we have a list of hundreds and thousands of employees working in these fastest growing companies, and you can choose any person you want to reach out to. So yeah, I'll just let it upload and show you what the data everything actually looks like. Yep. Shit, I just closed it, my bad. Oh. So as you can see, I just pause the video for a moment. So as you can see, we have a list of the companies, all the people working in those companies, their first name, last name, like company name and title, like what exactly they do, their job title, everything, the email address of these people, and then like the personal email, like their Yahoo Gmail addresses, this is the company addresses, their phone numbers, location, city, like all the different things you possibly need in order to reach out to them. All these different things are available to you, and now you can simply go ahead and reach out to them. In case you want to filter by like specific job titles, you can come over here, you can select this, you can come over to data, you can click on create a filter, and you can just click on this. And now what you can do is you can only search for like the job titles you want to work with. So like let's say you want to work with only the owners, then I'll clear all of these, and yeah, or let's say I think they'll call it themselves like the founder. If you only want to have like the list of the founders, which is 310, you can just be like okay, like select that, and now only the founders in this spreadsheet will be displayed to you. Only people who have the word founder in the job title. And my Google Sheets is glitching for some reason today. Oh shit, no. Actually you have to clear all these different things first, and then you have to search for the founder. Boom. So yeah, now you have only like the founders of these companies. So you can go ahead and reach out to these people. Like let's say you only wanted the CTOs of these people. You wanted to sell like development services. You can just search for CTO. Boom. And now you have a list of all the people who are the technical founders, the CTOs of these companies. And again, you can freaking reach out to them. You have like their email addresses, you have their personal email as well, you have their phone number as well. And yeah, that's how you find like contact information of these people who are working in these INC 5000 companies, who are the founders, owners, CEOs, and everything. And yeah, that's all I had to share for this. One thing I'll suggest you to do is get these results verified, because I think like that is pretty important, like having these results which are actually verified, get your email addresses, the phone numbers, and like if you want to reach out to WhatsApp, just check if the phone number is actually available on WhatsApp, and below the post which I originally shared. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the link of the post from which I was reading like the instruction post in the pinned comment of the YouTube video below. And over there, I've also added the link to an article where, yeah, like it has been glitching for some reason. I think I'm out of battery. That's why. So, yeah, anyways, I've attached like a link to the post which shows you how you can get this verified. If this opens up, I'll just quickly show you what I say, like the different softwares and tools available. Also in Leadwave, like another idea I have, you can use this as well. So I'll just quickly show you. Let it load. Yeah, you can like go through this best sites to verify leads before outreach. So if you're doing like SMS outreach, then you can use this website called ClearOut Phone. If you're using like Go High Level to send SMS, they have like inbuilt phone validation, so you don't need to like get it verified because you can like get it done directly inside of Go High Level. If you're doing like email outreach, then you can use this. They say it's free, but I don't know, like I don't know, I won't trust them. Like if it's free, it's probably a bit skeptical, right? Like a bit sketchy. If you're going to use these numbers for WhatsApp outreach, you can go over here. It's a free Chrome extension to get like WhatsApp numbers verified. You can just download it and it's pretty simple and easy to use. Another thing you can do, like let's say you come over to Google Sheets and you just want to be sure like the email addresses and the phone numbers, they're actually like verified addresses. You can do one thing. You can come over to Leadwave. You can just log in with your email and your password. Why did you log me out, my love? Boom. Yep. Once you're logged in, we have this thing known as CSV extraction or verified email finder. So you can come over here. You can click on like this button called download template and you can just open this up in Google Sheets. So now what we can actually do is if we have a name of the first name, the last name and the company name, the company domain, then we can like get verified email addresses using Leadwave only. So you can click on upload and you can just download like the template CSV file which I just gave you, like which you just downloaded. So you download this and you just open like the file which we got originally from Leadwave. So like this is a free method of like download of like having everything verified. So like this is free, but it absolutely works because it's already built in inside of Leadwave. Otherwise, if you don't mind paying whatever, just use these things. So if you want to do email outreach, yeah, that's a pretty good article on the same. And after that, I'm just waiting for it to open. This is like a sample CSV, sample data of what you can put. So basically you're going to put like the first name and the last name and the domain name of the company where the person works. And using that, we can find like the verified addresses and everything. So let's say I want to add like, I'll just do like 40 of them to show you. So let's say I just paste it, copy it from the original spreadsheet, first name, last name, and then the domain. Boom. I'll paste this. I'll just download this. Download as CSV, and boom. I'll upload it over here. And now we can like verify this. And we can click on process CSV. It will take like 30 to 40 seconds. And after that, it will give you like the verified email addresses of these people, whatever it is. And then you can reach out to them. The email addresses you get from this, they're 100% verified. So you don't have to verify them. But yeah, that's what you can use. And because you already give you like the first name, the last name and the like the domain, you already have it because that's what you use to enrich it. You can get your emails verified for free as well directly using Leadwave. So you can see like the exact verified email addresses. If it has like a tick mark, that means it's verified, and you can simply like download this. Yeah, just click on the download results button and you're pretty much sorted. That's all you need to do. So I just showed you how you can get verified email addresses, phone numbers, everything of people who work in INC 5000 companies, owners, founders, CEOs, all of that nice stuff. Use this and yeah, just make a lot of freaking money with the outreach. Reach out to them. Yeah, take care. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you and help you out. Bye.